Hi everybody, Happy New Year. This is Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our January 2023 kit reveals. I can't believe that we're in a new year, but here we are. And with the new year, we're starting off with some new kits. And make sure you check out our website at www.treasureleekits.com. But while you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload a video. And then don't forget to like and comment on this video. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into our kit reveals. First up, we've got our scrapbook kit. And at Treasure Lee, we like to include papers that are hard to find. So going back to that, we've got 3/4 designs for our scrapbook kit this month. And we're going to start off with the embellishments. We've got flowers because you know at Treasure Lee we love flowers. And we've got the Majestic Bouquet in Midnight Blue. Such a beautiful, beautiful blue. And we've got some flowers from Little Birdie. Handmade flowers, and these are Gianna Shabby Chic flowers, and these are like little clusters, and they're kind of an ivory color, not quite white. And last but not least, we've got a pack of Prima flowers, and these are from their Nature Lover line, and you've got 10 pieces in here, and you get all full packs of flowers. For chipboard this month, we don't have any Treasure Lee original chipboard because our paper actually comes with chipboard. And yes, I know Christmas is past. This is kind of a winter / Christmas kit. So you're going to have some elements from Christmas, but you're also going to have some winter elements like snowflakes and some holly leaves and things like that. So if you still got some outdoor Christmas pictures, then this kit would be perfect for that. Or if you've got some outdoor winter pictures. Next up, we've got tons of ephemera. If you've subscribed to our kit or you've purchased any of our kits that contain 3/4 designs, then you know that they are full of fun little items to cut out and use on your projects, your layouts, however. So here we've got a sheet, and it's got some frames on it, some ornaments, and some Christmas sentiments too. Next up, we've got some more outside ornaments and some more Christmas ornaments and a clock. And here we've got more outdoor not ornaments, but ephemera that you can cut out. And then here you've got some sheets that they give you that are solid that you can use as a background on your photo to layer. So you've got this sheet, and that's single-sided. And then you've got this one, which is really pretty. And then for your last sheet, you've got this one, and I think this is absolutely adorable. So now moving on, you've got more ephemera. You also get 2 sheets, and I love that these are pretty much punch out where you can layer these flowers to create 3D embellishments on your page, or you can layer any of these items. And you've got 2 sheets of those. Next up, let's get to the papers because that's always the fun part, right? So first off, on your cover sheet, you're going to have, if you flip it over, you're going to have a bonus sheet. So that's one extra sheet. And you've got some sayings down at the bottom, but this is pretty blues and whites. Kind of gives you that winter wonderland feel. The next sheet, and with 3/4 designs, the downside is that they're one-sided, but the upside is you don't have to worry about which side of the paper you're going to use. You've only got one choice. But they're all so beautiful. Here you go with another one. You've got some little embellishments in the corner here. You've got some music notes here, and just really pretty paper. And again, I love this sheet. So fun. Another fun sheet. Now this paper, because of the colors, can be masculine, can be feminine, and because of the colors or the theme, you can use it for both. I would even use this if you got some vintage outside photos. I'd use it for that too, but just really pretty paper. Here you go. And your back sheet with 3/4 designed, they give you ideas on creating layouts with their paper, but they also give you a bonus sheet too. So if you want to use some of their ideas, I would either take a picture of this, or I would use this sheet last so you're not cutting up the ideas that they give you. For me, I'm probably going to take a picture of it because I cannot resist using this sheet. How pretty is this sheet? So that is our scrapbook kit. You're going to get all this ephemera, some chipboard, and 3 packs of flowers. This kit can be found on our website at www.treasurelikits.com, and it retails for $52. So head on over to the website and look around, check out our kits. They're limited in stock, so to make sure that you always get a kit, you can always go ahead and subscribe. So think about that while I bring up our cards, tags, and more. Now again, for our cards, tags, and more kit, we've got some more 3/4 designs. We're just doing it up with 3/4 designs this month. So first off, we're going to start with the flowers, and these are from Little Birdie. And you're going to get the whole pack, and the colors should tell you what some of the main colors in our cards, tags, and more kit is. And if you don't know what our cards, tags, and more kit is, it is our small project kit. You can create cards, you can create tags, you can create mini albums, ATCs, whatever you like with this, but this is our small project kit. Next up, you're going to get some little small pieces of chipboard from 3/4 design. You've got some flowers and you've got some birds in here, plus you can use the entire circle too. And just like with our scrapbook kit, you're going to get tons of ephemera that you can use to layer on your cards. So you've got that sheet, you've got this sheet, and again, all this stuff can be layered on top to turn this into 3D embellishments as well. But look at the fun colors. I love this artist palette right here. And you've got some frames. And again, you're going to get these sheets that you can use as layering behind your photo or layering on your projects or cards. And again, these are all single-sided, but you've got this one with the paint brushes. I love this one with the text, plus the color is just so pretty. And then our last sheet, you can cut this in half because this is actually 2 separate pieces, but it's just a wall with a little bit of distress on it. So it's really fun, and this gives you an idea of what's in the kit. So let's get to the kit. You're going to get papers. And again, these papers are single-sided, but how pretty is this? Here's your next sheet. And these purples are so pretty. These will make beautiful cards or tags. Nice little shabby chic. How about this sheet right here? This is actually one of my favorites. I love the big compass on it and all the colors. They look like they're watercolor. And here, how about this? You can cut this out if you're into art journaling. Use this in your art journal. This would be really nice for some art journal pages as well. Just very pretty paper. And then on the back sheet, you don't get the bonus sheets here, but on the back sheet you do get ideas to create cards with. So you've also got that. So along with our designer's inspiration, you're going to get inspiration from 3/4 designs too. Now this kit again is in our store, and this kit retails for $40, and you can find it at www.treasurelikits.com. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. For our mixed media kit, that is a standalone kit. You can subscribe to it alone, and as soon as you open it up, you can go to work with your kit, because we typically include a project. This month we've just got a little small project. It's the first of the year, so we figured this would be a good time to start building your mediums again. So we've got more mediums and less project stuff in here. First off, we're starting with some Cosmic Shimmer. And if you've got one of our mixed media kits, if you get our mixed media kit, we've had this in the past. This color is in Groovy Grape. And then we've got a second one in Golden Marble, and they're both really pretty colors. Not sure if you can see the shimmer. And these are fun to use because you can dump these on your project and then mix with water and watch them, the colors spread out. That's why they're called Pixie Sparkles. We've also got some lava paste from Cosmic Shimmers, and there's several different ways that you can use this. So make sure that you're subscribed so you'll see the videos on how we use the Cosmic Shimmer. But it's, I'm sorry, this is the lava paste, but it's almost like a modeling paste, but it's a lot thinner. So we'll show you some ways to use that. Also, what you're getting too is a package of wax that you can use on top of your projects. This is in the color Blue Moon, and it's in a tube, so you can squeeze it out and it stays fresher this way in the tube. And then to play along and try out all of these mediums, we're going to give you this little 6x6 canvas where you can try that out, and a couple of little fun embellishment pieces or pieces that you could base your project around. And this mixed media kit too can be found on our website. Again, that's www.treasurelikits.com, and this kit retails for $42. But again, you don't want to miss out on any of our kits, so you can go ahead and subscribe to one kit, all the kits, or any combination. It's all right there on the website. Or better yet, if you're looking for a gift for a craft friend and don't know what to get, you can always go ahead and get them a gift certificate to our store so they can pick up a kit on their own, or you can get a 3-month prepaid subscription for them. All the details are on the website, and this has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kits. Hope you are starting your new year off happy, healthy, and safe, and thank you for stopping by. Bye.